What is up, guys? I just want to make a quick video in conclusion today's trading day. I know there was a lot of volatility in the market, finished mostly red, but there's a few good things to hit on. First of all, after hours are looking pretty good. Nvidia's up 3.8%, Avago's up almost 3%. Personally, stocks that I own like Oklo is up 9%, so that is really nice to see a jump back like that. I do think that this DeepSeek stuff, whether it is real or not, really isn't going to be impacting the market as much as we think it is. I do expect tomorrow will be a better day, and I do kind of expect almost a head and shoulders pattern to be occurring within extended hours and beyond into market open. So what do I think is coming? I would say that I do think that we rebound, and depending on how Nvidia and Avago's earnings go the rest of the week, I think if Avago's earnings do come out bullish on Wednesday, because if I am not correct, I think they report before Nvidia. If those come out bullish, we could honestly see all-time highs once again by the end of the week. Taking a look at SPY here, it really is only $10 off. It had a $10 day today. It literally went from 607 to 589, so a $17 swing. So don't think that can't happen to the upside. Something like that could easily happen. We could literally be at all-time highs tomorrow, depending on how the market reacts and what comes out. But for now, I don't think the market goes lower tomorrow. I think if anything, we see some chop. I would be very surprised if we just immediately continue downward. I suppose something like this could happen, where you just suddenly break this trend line and just fall. But I mean, I really just couldn't see it happening, especially not in this market. I think tomorrow we probably fill that gap up. I think in the morning maybe we dive bomb, fill the gap that we're leaving. We're gonna have a gap now, most likely. Fill that gap down and then go ahead and fill the gap up, especially if we get news that DeepSeek is not what we think it is, which most analysts are. It seems like they're doing some pretty fishy stuff under wraps. They won't release what kind of GPUs they use. They're lying about it, and then they're also regulating the posts that you can make on there and what you can actually search for. Basically praising the Chinese government and dogging on any other government, primarily the US, which is kind of a historic signal that something is not exactly correct. So looking at what could really happen, I am expecting a bounce back by a lot of these stocks. There really isn't any reason to me why this would be a top. I do not think all of a sudden everything would fall off like this. NASDAQ had a pretty nasty day. They were down probably like 3.5%, I believe. So I think that following earnings with Avago and Nvidia, there is definitely a comeback coming. I made sure that I scooped up some Oklo, and that's already paying dividends for me right now. As you can see, up 8% in the after hours. We'll go to the 5-minute chart. Just pretty straight up in the after hours. That's really nice to see. Same with HIMS, up 4.46%, and then Hood up 0.5%. So that is really nice to see. Just a little bit of comeback here from the market. But other than that, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know that I am buying this dip. I am very, very bullish on this. I do think this was just a little scarcity play, maybe to get some liquidity out of the market before continuing higher, stop out some longs, and then maybe entice the shorts into a bull trap, which we have done time and time again. So I really do not think this is the bottom. I'm not calling top here. I think that this is probably either just going to be another consolidation day tomorrow, or we just immediately move back up in that V formation that normally happens. And it looks like that will most likely occur if we go over here and turn off extended hours. It does look like something like that could happen. Maybe you just, let's go to the 1 hour. Maybe tomorrow something just looks a little something like this, where you just go and then straight back up. Obviously that'd be the most bullish case scenario, but we'll see kind of what happens. I know that's looking at Hood right there, but all stocks are really going to end up doing that. But guys, that's really going to be all from me. So go ahead and make sure you guys leave a comment down below what stocks I should do next, or what video I should make in general. Don't forget to click the link down in the description below. It'll send you guys to our free and paid Discord. You guys can join up and do whatever you guys want over there. But other than that, guys, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.